So you want to hide your sheet. Now, I have a sheet, a template that I created. I have exercises and an about page. But at some point, we want this about page to hide, and we want the user to be able to hide it. Now, this Everyday Edge is a completely free template that I created so that you can create a template. Go check it out at bettersheets.co/everydayedge. Literally, it is a workout directory, but I didn't make it to actually tell you workouts because I don't know workouts. I just made it because I know Google Sheets. But I'm creating this workout menu. In the past video, I've said go to a random row. Now I'm going to add hide the about. So let's go to extensions app script. This is our existing app script now. We have a menu that is created on open, and we have a function here, go to random row. I'm going to add one more item, add item. This is hide about. And I'm going to create the function name for it, hide about. And let's go create that function. Function hide about, parentheses, and curly brackets. All we need to do is SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet, which is the entire spreadsheet file, getSheetByName, which is going to be about, and that matches this name here on the bottom of the tab. And we're going to do .hide sheet, and that's it. We do have to add the parentheses at the end. Let me show you that. That's at the end. Make sure you add those parentheses. And I'm going to do Command S, or I'm going to hit this save button next to run. To get the custom menu function, if you haven't yet, go to bettersheets.co/snippets. SNIPPETS, and you can copy and paste this exact code so that you can add a custom menu to your sheet. Let's save this, and now to see it in our workout menu, we need to refresh our sheet, meaning close our sheet, open it again, or refresh, click the refresh button up at the top next to extensions. Help accessibility is our workout menu. And now we're going to click hide about. If it's the first time you've ever run it, you're going to have to authorize it. But if you've authorized before, notice it just worked. Let's create one more function. It's the polar opposite, which is show about. Add item, show about sheet, let's say, because maybe we want to be more specific. Show about is our function. And we're going to create a new function. Function show about, parentheses, curly brackets. And we're going to use the exact same function. I'm going to copy paste it, but I need to change the hide to .show. showSheet, and make sure you add these parentheses at the end. Now, I'm going to refresh my sheet. Up at the top in our workout menu, we now have show about sheet, and I can click that, and I can have this about page there. I can also add an activate. My thinking is that if somebody's trying to show the sheet, they want to see it. They want to actually go to it. So I'm going to take this exact same code, the about page, not the show sheet, but I'm going to copy paste it to the next line, and I'm going to say .activate. Again, add the parentheses, save. Now I'm not adding another item to my custom menu here, so I don't need to refresh the page. I just need to go here and use it again. I'm going to hide it first. It's hidden. Now I'm going to show, and I'm now on that page. Pretty cool, right? So you can hide these pages and then have a cool little menu here that says, go show me that page, and it opens it and activates it and brings that user right there to that page. Really cool. I think this is really fun automation you can add to your sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.